parties inside the theater.
I went with them for England, Germany, and now Scandinavia. 80% of people are Acers. Medieval dolphins, I think. Yeah, because in the medieval times they didn't know how dolphins look like. I think that's what they thought they were. We got rhinoceros, gazelles. We got some bulls, minotaurs. Always a good ride. Yeah. Oh, that was pretty good.
I've got one ride because my mouth was open.
I wonder what the speed is on this thing.
I don't know.
Pretty fast.
Yeah, it's pretty quick.
And pretty tall.
Is it your first time here?
No, a couple times actually, yeah. They can almost see the curvature of the earth up there now.
Right?
Welcome back. Please exit to your right. Have a great day here at the view. Welcome back. Please exit to your right. Have a great day here at the view.
Alright.
Welcome to Cannibal. Please watch your step as you go.